In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unblock adult websites on your iPad. Before we get started, I want to mention that this video is for educational purposes only and is only intended for viewers that are 18 years old or older. So if you are under 18, I recommend you click off this video now. I also recommend you abide by your local laws and regulations. The first thing we need to do is to download a VPN to our iPad. So to do this, we first want to open the App Store. Once we've done this, you want to click on the search icon at the top, and then you want to search for a VPN of your choice. For this example though, we are going to be using NordVPN. Once you've found it, should be the top result, which will look like this, and you want to go ahead and click on the Get button. However, mine shows the Cloud button because I've downloaded this in the past. Once you've downloaded NordVPN, we can exit out of the App Store, and then you want to go ahead and open the application. When you open NordVPN for the first time, you'll be taken to this privacy screen, so you want to read through this information and select one of the options on screen. Now you'll be taken to a login screen, where you want to go ahead and log into your Nord account. However, if you don't have one already, I recommend you scan the QR code on screen now, or click on the link in the description of this video, where you can get up to 82% off your NordVPN account. Once you've logged into your account, you can go ahead and start using NordVPN just as you normally would. So all we need to do now is connect to a server from a country where adult websites are not restricted or banned. And to do this, we can use the map on screen, or we can use the search bar at the top, or alternatively we can swipe up and see from the list of countries here. So for the example of this video, I'm from the UK, so I'm going to connect to a server in Germany, so we're going to scroll down the list of servers here until we find Germany. Once you've found it, you want to tap into it, and because it's our first time, we'll need to set up permission. So we're going to select Got It, and then we're going to select Allow, and then you need to enter in your iPad passcode. Now we've done this, you'll be taken back to NordVPN, so again we want to select Germany, and then after a couple of seconds we'll be successfully connected to a server from Germany. So now it will be as if we are browsing the internet from that country. Just bear in mind that if you are from the US, and then I recommend connecting to a state where adult websites are not restricted or banned instead. So now we are connected to the server, we can exit out of NordVPN, and then you want to go ahead and access the adult website of your choice, and I recommend using private browsing or incognito mode if you can. So as you can see, we have accessed the adult website of our choice, and now we can go ahead and access it by selecting I am 18 years or older. And now we can go ahead and start using it just as we normally would. And that's it, so remember to scan the QR code on screen or click on the link in the description of this video where you can get up to 82% off your NordVPN account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.